much to know. Sing with me, ready, set, go! A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on feet. C is for cat that loves to purr. D is for dog, here it go, grr. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for guitar, strum and play. H is for hat you wear today. I is for igloo, made of ice. J is for jelly, tastes so nice. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest with birds and bees. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for panda, eating bamboo with glee. Q is for queen with the shiny crown. R is for rainbow shining down. S is for sun so warm and bright. T is for train, chug chug all night. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van on the country lane. W is for whale that sings a tune. X is for xylophone, clank clank soon. Y is for yak with fluffy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes